How you doing? Look, we still stuck in the house, and everybody can't get one of these. These are expensive and hard to get. So you know what? I want to show you a few ways you can make a face mask at home. This isn't for everybody, okay? This is for people who have nothing. Everybody doesn't have the money. Everybody can't get their hands on the face mask. But in some cities, they're trying to give you a ticket for not having a face mask. What the hell? You're trying to fine me $1,000 for having no face mask? Look here, I can't even pay my rent. That's crazy. I don't want anybody spending any money that they don't have. So I took a few homemade items and showed you how to make face masks. Take a look. You take a t-shirt. Cheap Not Broke t-shirt will work. Or a regular t-shirt, whichever one you have. You fold it like so. So it's the long way, okay? Then you fold it again, like this. Now you pull it long. Take that t-shirt, pull it right over like this. Right in the back. You got your face mask. Now listen, it's not perfect. It's not perfect. No, it didn't come from Home Depot, but it's serious out here. We gotta stay safe. You don't want people breathing on people. You wanna put, it's all right in here. It's all there. You still should cover your mouth, you know, like this. Dive and cough. This is a little different. If you have somebody that you care about or a loved one and you need two masks, this is how you get two masks, one shirt. You take the shirt like so. An old shirt, preferably, that you don't need, and you cut the sleeve off like so. Cut the sleeve off. Boom. Real quick. You take that sleeve, pull it over your head, and now you got a mask. Look at this. I pull it over, I cut the sleeve. Oh shit, that's kind of tight. Damn. That's real tight. Oh god. Damn. That's tight. Yeah, and you pull it over and you got a mask. Just like so. Boom. Right here. Put it over your mouth. It's not, like I said, this is not the best mask. But if you have nothing, at home, you cut off the sleeve of your shirt, cut off the other sleeve, and you got another mask. Another way to make a real face mask, if you watched my last video, you saw I made some stuff out of Crown Royal bags. I still have the Crown Royal bag. So, here's another way with that t-shirt I just showed you. You take your t-shirt, you leave it on, you roll your Crown Royal bag up like so, put it over your face, take your t-shirt from the neck, you got a face mask. Now, is it easy to talk? Hell no. But you're just trying to get out, get what you gotta get, and get back home. You don't need to talk to anybody. It's not the time to make any friends. I'm trying to help people. It's expensive. Everybody can't get their hands on face masks. Some people might think this is crazy. Some people might think it's wild. Whatever. But you can stay safe. I feel like a ninja. Everybody may not be in favor for this. You gotta do what you gotta do. You take a pair of underwear, men's underwear, the tight kind, right? You take a pair of men's underwear. You pull one leg. You take one leg, okay? You pull the leg over your head. First off, make sure you got some clean drawers. You don't want to be in here stank. You pull it over there like so, okay? You take the other leg, pull it around, and tuck it in. Look like that. Just like that. And tuck it in. And there you go. You don't want to ass face mask. You don't want to be in your face mask smelling ass. Don't take the fart drawers. These are new drawers. I keep some new drawers on staff. Some people gonna be in there with the ass face mask stinking. You don't want to do that. No sir. No ma'am. Get you some clean drawers, okay? Because you may not get the coronavirus, but you don't want to just pass out from the funk from the drawers. Get you some good clean drawers. You don't want an ass face mask. No ass face mask. Now I know some of you think that's crazy or whatnot. It's not for you. If you got a face mask, you're good to go. But if you don't have one and you got a loved one that needs a face mask and you gotta go out for whatever reason to get some groceries to cover up to keep germs off of you, that's what you gotta do. You gotta make a face mask at home. You gotta be safe. You don't wanna get anybody sick. You don't wanna get sick. You wanna stay good. So you can stay on the couch watching Netflix, watch TV at the house, you know? Listen, if this video helped you, share it. Drop a comment. Let somebody know. I know it's not the best way, but listen, it's the cheapest way I know how to do it. Some of that stuff is efficient. Everybody can't get a face mask, like I said. If you like this video, please subscribe to my page. Thank you to all my subscribers. Thank you to everybody who's already been watching the videos. Stay safe. Stay home.